Making a splash in English. Dive into idiomatic expressions. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the picturesque world of idioms, specifically focusing on the phrase, making a splash. This colorful expression paints a vivid picture, but what does it truly mean in everyday English? Get ready to make some waves in your language learning journey as we explore this. At its core, making a splash is all about causing a big impression or stir in a particular situation. Imagine throwing a stone into a calm pond. The impact creates ripples and attracts attention. Similarly, when someone makes a splash, they stand out, often due to something new, innovative, or very impressive that they've done. The phrase, making a splash, is believed to have its roots in the visual and performing arts. In the early days, when an artist or performer had a significant impact on their audience, it was likened to the splash made by an object hitting the water. This expression evolved to be used in broader contexts, symbolizing a strong impact or noticeable effect in any field or situation. 1. Business and innovation. The tech startup made a splash in the industry with its groundbreaking new app. 2. Social events. Wearing that bright, unique dress, she really made a splash at the gala. 3. Media and entertainment. The young singer made a splash on the music scene with her debut album. While it's a versatile phrase, it's important to use it in contexts where someone or something truly stands out in a significant, often public, way. It's not just about doing something well, but doing it so remarkably that it draws widespread attention or admiration. And there you have it. Making a splash is all about creating a big, unforgettable impact. Whether in business, at social events, or in creative endeavors, this phrase encapsulates the essence of standing out and being noticed. I hope this exploration helps you make your own splash in your English language journey. Keep diving into the depths of this beautiful language, and you'll surely create ripples of success.